Guys, welcome back to my channel, Cool Kid Haven, and today we got my first tablet ever, actually. But I have an iPad now. I used to have an iPad, this is my first tablet. Then I had an Amazon tablet, then now I have my iPad 7th generation. And this is the battery, right here. That's the screen, the middle part. This right here is the circuit board. Wires. CPU right here, chip and blue thing. I think that blue one's the I think that's the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth. Hold on, let me wipe the camera for a sec. Sorry guys. Alright. So there's other wires right here. I don't this part's covered by the middle. I don't know what that is yet. So we're going to do a teardown video soon. And this is the screen. Please share this. Please share this and send a link on any websites that are public. Like Facebook and all that. Well, I don't have Facebook, so I don't even know how to even work Facebook because I'm on an iPad and I don't even have it on my iPad. So just share it on Facebook and send the channel name, and then I'll get more subs. So be tuned when we have a teardown video.